St. Anthony Chapel is situated in the beautiful village of Chandor. In 1908, the foundation was laid by Father Miguel Rogaciano Carvalho. In 1927, the construction started and was completed on 17th March 1930. The first feast of Saint Anthony was celebrated on 13th June 1930. Father Degolasa Mascarenas was the first chaplain appointed in 1954. Saint Anthony is the patron saint of Kauri Kumdat and is considered the first Zonka as per Code of Kumdats. Saint Anthony statue on the main altar was brought from Old Goa through the Kushavati river in covering Chandor. The altar on the left is dedicated to Saint Teresa and on the right is dedicated to Our Lady of Fatima. Pulpit, a raised platform used by the priest to deliver sermon in the past. The 13-day Threasen of Saint Anthony is held on 1st June. On 13th June, the Saint Anthony feast is celebrated with great pomp and joy, and on this day, the holy relic of Saint Anthony is kept for veneration.
Tu Chandor